Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the lowdown on the products that matter most. Today we're talking about the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This model brings some serious functionality to the table with its lift-away feature, which lets you detach the pod to easily clean above-floor areas like stairs and furniture. It's a vacuum that promises versatility, efficiency, and convenience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E is an upright vacuum designed with pet owners and allergy sufferers in mind. Right off the bat, it's built to deliver powerful suction for both carpets and hard floors, which makes it a solid choice for various surface types in your home. The standout feature here is its lift-away functionality, which allows you to separate the canister from the body, giving you the flexibility to clean hard-to-reach areas, such as stairs, upholstery, and even ceilings. This adds a layer of practicality that many vacuums in its category simply don't offer. Now let's talk performance. The Shark Navigator features a HEPA filter, which traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, according to ASTM F1977. If you're someone who suffers from allergies or has asthma, this could be a game changer, as it ensures that the dirt you suck up doesn't just get blown back out into your home. The filter is part of the Anti-Allergen complete seal system, which works to lock in those tiny particles, providing cleaner air in your home while you vacuum. When it comes to cleaning power, the Shark Navigator doesn't disappoint. The suction is powerful enough to lift embedded dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The brushroll shutoff feature is an excellent touch here. When you want to switch from cleaning deep carpets to more delicate hard floors, you can easily turn the brushroll off, ensuring your floors aren't scratched or damaged. It's a nice touch that ensures maximum versatility and ease of use for a variety of cleaning tasks. Another big selling point is the vacuum's performance on pet hair. If you're a pet owner, you know that cleaning up pet hair can be one of the most frustrating aspects of owning a vacuum. The Shark Navigator tackles this issue with its Pet Power Brush, which is specifically designed to lift pet hair from upholstery and other surfaces. This attachment, along with the swivel steering for maneuverability, makes it easy to work around furniture and tight spaces, ensuring you can get to all those places where pet hair tends to collect. Speaking of maneuverability, the swivel steering on this model makes it a breeze to navigate around corners, furniture, and other obstacles. Whether you're trying to get around a coffee table or reach under the couch, the Shark Navigator moves with ease, helping you avoid the frustration of having to reposition it constantly. For some, this could make a huge difference, especially if your home is full of tight spots that are hard to reach with a traditional vacuum. One thing to note is the vacuum's size and weight. It's not the lightest vacuum on the market, so if you're looking for something ultra-light, this might not be the one for you. However, the extra-large dust cup with its 0.87 liter capacity does mean fewer trips to the trash can during a cleaning session. This is ideal for longer cleaning sessions without constantly having to empty the bin. The noise level is something you may want to consider if you're sensitive to sound. While it's not outrageously loud, it's definitely louder than some of the more premium, quieter models out there. That said, the performance you get for the price more than makes up for this minor inconvenience, especially if you're focused on cleaning power and versatility. When it comes to value for money, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away offers solid performance for its price. It covers all the essential features you'd expect in a vacuum: great suction, HEPA filtration, a large dust cup, and a range of useful attachments. The included Crevice tool and dusting brush add versatility, allowing you to clean tight corners, baseboards, and delicate surfaces like lampshades and keyboards. Considering the price point, it delivers strong value, especially for pet owners and allergy sufferers who need something reliable and easy to use. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking at similar models in this price range, vacuums like the Bissell CleanView or the Hoover Wind Tunnel offer comparable features, but they might not have the same level of suction power or HEPA filtration. The Shark Navigator stands out for its lift-away function, which makes it a great option for homes that need that extra versatility for above-floor cleaning. If you're willing to spend a bit more, you might also look at the Dyson Ball Animal 2, which offers incredible suction and pet-specific features, but it comes with a significantly higher price tag. As for the build quality, the Shark Navigator is solidly constructed, with a plastic body that feels durable but not overly premium. The joints and wand connections are secure, and the dustbin is easy to remove and empty. Maintenance is straightforward, as the brush roll can be cleaned without too much effort, and the HEPA filter can be replaced when needed. Long-term reliability looks good, but since this model hasn't been on the market for too long, there's no data to suggest any major issues down the line. If you ever need to contact Shark's customer support, they have a generally positive reputation for handling queries and providing solutions in a timely manner. However, based on the overall design and performance, this isn't a vacuum that should have many issues to begin with. So, who is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away best suited for? It's a great option for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who needs a vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. Its powerful suction, versatile attachments, and above-floor cleaning capability make it a standout in this price range. If you're someone with a lot of furniture to work around, or if you've been struggling with pet hair, the Navigator could be a great fit for your home. However, if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or super quiet, there might be other models worth considering. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. And hey, if you already own the Shark Navigator or have questions about it, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy cleaning, folks!